All right, everybody. This is how it looks so far. Already got the ramp. Another car. That's how it looks from way back there. Show you how it looks from under here. As you can see. Give you some light. And there it is. Now what I have, that's just cardboard. So when I was painting this, now it's dry. Here it is. Now, put you back some more so that way you get a better view of everything. All right, as you can see, the car right here, there's two of them. The first one, I did it with the first one. The problem with the first one is that this piece right here, I couldn't put that piece in there. I was just able to put that on that hole, and that was it. Like this. Check this out. I was only able to put this in here, and that was it on the first one. It was really close. And then I still couldn't put this one in. If I put this one in, it would be touching that from this one piece. So what I did was I bought another one. Did the cut it down so that we could fit here and all that. And able to put this on. And right now, it's perfect. I can put that on back and bring this up a little. There you go. It's perfect. Now it's up there. That's the reason why I had to get another board. So now I'm able to lift the car with no problem. And in between here, I had it glued. Wood glue, any glue you want. So it's just wood glue for the wood. And that's how it looks from the bottom. All right, before the big event, the pump is over here now. It's in front of the car. What I had to do is I had to change it because this was over there and it was going over that hydraulic line, the tire. So it's in the front. And as you can see, plenty of room. And I turned it around. It took a while, but yeah. With that hook right there, gotta turn it around. All right. Now I'm gonna do it right now. Everything's in place, everything's set. Let me put you right here. So that way we get a good view as it's going up. As you can see. There it is. Now I'm gonna go over to the pump, activate it, and go on. Hit the button. There you go, very quick. Gonna do another click. There you go, another click. All right, right there. Then I just bring it down a little bit. Whatever. Okay, stuck right there. Right now, it's not all the way up yet. It's not all the way up. As you can see where it's at right now. Wow. The best thing I love, I don't have to put this anywhere. It stays right here. This truck stays here. No poles. As you can see, there it is. It's almost at eye level. I'm gonna have to look down a little bit, but here it is, right here. Wow. I gotta take the cardboard off. That is a major plus for me. That's why I got this one, because of the weight, 6,600, and this is 5,500 pounds. Yep, that's a big plus. All right, I'm gonna get some more light on me here when I get a chance. But that's how it looks so far. Wow. Bring it over here. Huh. All right. On this side, That's how that looks. Oh, wow. And then from under here, there you go. That's one of them right there. It's under the frame right there. Perfect. All right, let's continue. There's the pump going right under there. Oh, yeah. From this angle, let me see how far back I can go. Look at that. Nice. All right. Now, bring you up some more. Bring you up to the highest point. Bring you up a little more. There you go. And then you can see the edge. You see the edge right there. The distance. There it is. I think it's the highest point. Let me keep going. Wait a minute. There you go. That's the highest one. Then you bring it down just a bit with the lever. Push it in the lever. There. Locked it in. Let me see what you look at. Oh, yeah. Look at the distance. Here we go. Yeah. There it is. I got to measure that. I forgot. I'll give you the measurements in a little bit. But yeah. That's where she's at right now. Way up there. And it's holding. Look at this. I'm at eye level. Wow, this is amazing. Let me bring you under here. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There's a lot I could do under here. Yep. And that's what I like, the distance from here to here. It's not too tight. So if I need to do anything under here, I can still. Yep. Right there, this baby's holding here. This one right under here, as you can see. Let me go back here. Oh. There you go. All right. Now let me look at the airbags. There they go, right there. They're the airbags right there. All right. As you can see, look at how they're looking right now. Wow, no cracks, not yet. They're still good, no cracks. And let me take a look at the other one. Look at that. No cracks. A little dusty, that's it. But no cracks. The shocks that I put in, oh yeah. Getting some seepage, but not to the point that it's really dripping and leaving a lot. No. That's fine. There's the other right there. That's where it's hooked up to. Let me bring you over here. And there it is. The last time when I did the fuel filter. Put that in. That's what I put it in. Right now it's at 37. 237 something. And that's when I put it in. So just minus. Yep. And there she is. The fuel filter. Right there. Easy speasy. No problem. Okay, dead. Right under the vehicle right now. I'm under the vehicle. There it is. Beautiful. Oh yeah. And that's how that looks. As you can see. This is why I chose this one. Oh yeah. There's the roller right there for the under. Alright. And yeah, these right here. That's a big plus right there. These babies, they look like monsters. Oh yeah. I'm very happy. This is gonna help me a lot. And right here. Okay, now I'm gonna be able to do these babies right here. That's the thing. Wow, there you go. Upper, lower. Oh yeah. This, you have to have this. That you have to have. So watch my videos. The one I did about cutting and painting. Yeah, this is a big plus right here. In order for me to go under here with no problem. And in order for you to use the extensions. Oh yeah. Look at that. I'm right here. Few foot right there. And right here. Oh man. There's another thing I forgot to tell you. My LEDs. They still there. Still working. Right here. Perfect. So much easier to do that. If I had to do that again, it would have been so much easier. Here it is, the tire. Oh man. Look at that. Yeah, that's how it looks. I'll give it a little nudge. Pushing it. It's stable. This ain't going nowhere. And I'm pushing. And it's solid. Oh yeah, it's solid. Be able to do brakes, tires, be able to rotate them. All right. Look at that. Headlights up here. Okay. And this right here. Now I'll be able to fix this here. What happened here? Driving home, somewhere was between Pennsylvania and Ohio. Going back west home. Ran over a broken recap tire from a truck. Right there in the rock. Couldn't maneuver or nothing. It was right there when I got to it. Hit it and it just tore this off. But it's fine. So I just got to replace this. And right now the way it looks. Oh yeah, so that's it. Just got to take these screws off right here. Screw here. Screw there. I've done it already. Let's take this down. Put it back. Put the new one on. Oil changes. Here we go. Oil changes. There she is right there. That's it. Perfect. Look at that. This is how I look right here. Look at this. I'm right under the car. Okay. That's the engine. Now, what you're looking up here is just the excess from the oil. When they did the oil change, they never clean them. That's from the oil change. Nothing major. But yeah, look at it. There's a filter. I could take that off right now. There it is. That's all just from the oil. It doesn't leak. There's no leak. Except for one little drip drop. That's it. So I got to clean that up. See what's going on from there. But it's fine. And that one drip drop was when I had the oil change. Once I had the oil change, came back, that was there. I never cleaned it up. That's the original from the oil change when I did that day. So it's not leaking. If it was leaking, it would be a whole lot more oil. Like I said, that's just, they don't clean it. They just drain it, put the oil filter on, and that's it. Have a nice day. There you go. There's a transmission right there. Oh, yeah, here we go. The transmission's next. As you can see. It gives me some room. I can work it. Yeah. I can take the pan off. This is not really in the way. Let me bring it this way. As you can see. I can still take this down. Not a problem. And that's the rear of it. So that's what you're looking at. So yeah, I'm under the car right now, under it. Look at that. That one. Oh man. This is a big, big change of the game here for me. Oh, yeah. All right. Get you here. Whew. Okay, now I'm going to bring her down. I'm going to bring her down. The brake, emergency brake. There. Now bring it down. Slowly with you. There you go. She's coming down. All the way down. Done. That's it. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. See? I'm gonna give you another one. I gotta take this cardboard off from when I did paint it. It's gonna look a lot nicer. Oh yeah. As you can see. Let me go down here. And when you come in for first level, then the second one. And then that's it. On the other side too. So yes, plan to do this. This is a big help when you're gonna get you a scissor lift. All right. Thanks for watching. Get you on the next one. Oh yeah. Take care now.